What's up, YouTube? We got the Grom here, and we also got a nice big old box of parts over there, which I'll break down later. But we're gonna start tearing into this thing, and I'm just gonna kind of make. It's not gonna be like a whole tear down, rebuild. Like I'm just gonna include some bits and pieces of the stuff that I'm doing, and just kind of make a little montage of putting all the parts and stuff on this thing. So yeah, we'll get started here. I'm gonna take the exhaust off and get it on the stand.
Do you think I'm looking good?
Alright, so we kind of just put a little strap around the frame here, down to the lift, so that way she doesn't tip over on us, hopefully. We'll see how that works.
Really? Do you think I'm looking good? Really?
Alright, y'all. Sorry, I was just really grinding on getting some of this stuff done. So we got the new rear set on. Over here, we got the new shifter on. Wheel, new tires on. Totally forgot about that. We got the handbrake on fully. Oh, my light just died. But the handbrake works. Foot brake's all bled. Handbrake is bled. Front brake is bled. We're doing the fork oil right now. What else did we do? Changing the oil, and we gotta do the clutch springs and stuff. Alright, y'all, I got real lazy filming at the last part of that, but it was all said and done. We're back together. Fork oil's changed, handbrake is on. All brakes have new brake fluid. Oil's changed, clutch springs are done. It's a whole new bike. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for some videos of this ripping.